In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to get Penta in WWE 2K25. Now previously we had to download Penta from community creations because he wasn't available in the superstar roster, but recently on 23rd July, WWE released a new DLC pack called Fearless in which Penta has been included, so we can officially get him into the game. So if you go to the play section and start a match here, I'm just gonna start a one-on-one match here, and if I filter it by P, you can see Penta is here. If I try to select it, then this is the attention I am getting here, which is I need to purchase Fearless pack first in order to use this Penta. So you need to go to your Steam store or your PlayStation store, and under it we need to purchase this Fearless pack DLC. So this is how much it will cost in my country. Additionally, you can get this all superstars too, and all of these features will be included in your DLC as well. But I don't want to pay for Penta, that's why I'm just gonna go back from here. Now to get Penta in our game, we need to go back from here first, and then we need to go to the traditional way, which is going into community creations. So when you go in it, then go to the download section, and under it we need to select superstar, and then it will load all the community creations creators have uploaded on WWE. We just have to wait a bit. I have filtered it to most downloaded, that's why I'm seeing Penta on the main screen itself, because this is the most downloaded superstar in the game. If you can't see him here, then we have to search for him. To do that, we need to press Y key on Xbox, or you can press triangle key on your PlayStation, and then we'll see this search menu. On it we need to go to the bottom and add an #1 which will be custom. So I need to type here Penta and then search for it, and then hit on search, and then it will show you all the Penta creations. So I'm just gonna go for this one, which is most downloaded. You can see the front view, rear view, and all of the details related to Penta. Now to download it, we need to go to download and select that option, then Penta will be downloaded in your game. Now if I go back from here and start a normal match here, so let me start a normal one-on-one match, and then under it I can filter it by custom superstars, and then I have to filter it by P, and there you go, we have got Penta in our game without purchasing Fearless pack. So this is the process. Now if it was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.